Some people has been asking questions about this, my specialty, which is not very well known in, at least in El Paso. What is regenerative medicine, functional medicine, and anti-aging medicine? The medicine we do here is personalized. The medicine is science-based and utilizes a good set of questionnaires, very thorough examination, and finally a very thorough evaluation of the patient and his or her medical problems. And then the treatment is implemented based on the person, not based on a disease. So in this regard, the majority of the elements we use to treat the patient will be applied to the patient and not to a protocol. There are no protocols in my practice because every person is unique in this universe. And then even though we may have similar problems or problems with the same name, the reaction or the approach or even the intervention on those problems will differ from person to person. Functional medicine is a discipline that tends to recover the function, that's the functional function. And regenerative medicine tends to regenerate the systems. And in that regard, stem cells is one of the most important parts of our system, along with some other supplements, because we'll try to regenerate tissues that have been diseased and that needs to be treated in a way that they will recover their function and their structure. Should you have any other questions about this, call us at 915-490-0647. Thank you.